keleya, fale keleya. Fale keleya, fale keleya. Mokobi okometo. Fale keleya, mokobi okometo. Fale keleya. Namo ni fale keleya. Enye ubia semona Gucci. Isiodiniko. Obi ba double ba kupe. Isiodiniko. Wana isio ediniko enye ubia. Se ye mame mona Gucci. Mamu nim se emra etwetwem yi mona Gucci ne ba goddaughter. Kane they say the my friend say ne kane goddaughter adepa eba out be church be Xposed no on casual occasions on na ye threesome any empo se ne wama na ewura enyoma bi a ensem fata ana society be ka say these are one of the things that ye wo suma se ebusu enipa nye de encourage na when na ekoso na Mami Mona Gucci say wa wonim say slave queen fraternity no they have a lot of friends that they work with nkofo bebre omo ni omo nam ene omo bon komo na we na ni nua baabi anaye friend say na damfo baabi ai friend mami kisiwa on social media page eduma oso wo ye no eso wo no de woton wache na wache na woton no na mami kisiwa eye post na this is the post alkan asem okokan ya ni say Mona Gucci I'm sad cry enumpe na okokan ye no ena Mona Gucci ebe reply ena tirokan osikisiwa I don't like doing stories on you because I know you are struggling selling food to make a living. I buy your food at Kismet not because I am hungry, but I felt it's a way of showing my support. Stop treating people you know in person as though you don't know or seen them before. Na Mona Gucci utumu se ne nsem na akoledi aba out no. Se nyo ne Mami Kisiwa enyonkofo etie no na o expect say obeba mpo abema that much commenting about it because onu onim baby eton wachi ana eduane bebre na so bi wanye se okom na di no opeso ma wu se ade na woton no she is patronizing it and at least onu kra grace wo question na se ni onu aso abeye a person who is known in the nation and media fraternity no ebe mo obi kura hu no obeka so and again what ye den at least she is showing support men you we ni nya ade to say as nipa na wo ka no asem no unnim ni person because Kismet ana Mami Kisiwa unnim in person pa iti aden na obeye mi say na we no na Mami Kisiwa so ede bae na obekire say Mami Kisiwa ede reply back out say na Mami Mona Gucci ade mi kai mpo na wadwei na we wasem ni mi nka hwi mpo mi nka hwi na Mona Gucci say ende somewhere o say attention just Mona Gucci hu say Mami Kisiwa no ohun ni say opeso ogina no so no e den o trending it was say attention all residents of Spinters Road Mami Kisiwa just because I haven't interviewed the malam you visit regularly to put in your food you sell to the public doesn't mean I'm wicked to the general public. At the right time, I will interview him for people to know what you put in your food to sell to people. And when you get enough money, go for a rhinoplasty surgery and fix your dead flat face before you come to talk about me. You all street girl think you can do anything for money. Henceforth, I'm on you, your food and FDA. King James, this is particular girl for Kismet selling watches. Her own friends bring her story for me to put on TV. I didn't tell the story because I know her. You hear 4 stories about me, you go posting as if you are a witness. Kisiwa, go and ask the CEO of Kismet about me. Where your madness stop is where I begin. Try me. I pay. say na mame Monaguchi after send again Ibeka say ibu fupa no so ma reply or chere say mame kisiwa no atai kokọ enduro so owo malam na ka chen se no ni mo no Monaguchi no akombo no advertise aduane na oyeden oton na ono aye na adwin se all advice all advertising ti no e na ase eye kisiwa ya kaka because se na malam na boa na ma na ejuma ne koso no aka malam no kra no Monaguchi ni besa advertising malam na man kofa de akọ na wan call no ase eye maame kisiwa de eya na since why na adwin so de no ba be for insem a onya witness to it no afe na o ending afe na ono Monaguchi no oba be ebigini edi amano na ansiwa ena maame kisiwa edi reply no so ba biom say you want me to make you relevant because of your dead career. Uboa emfa. If you know my malams, tell him to help you in life too, because you dey suffer past me. Now, mami, you have to say what so throw shade or say. One so no catch it out, won say usu yan malam. You say me bra, and they also bra kra cheme. Wo mami Monaguchi, also bra kra cheme. And Mami Kisiwa Edipa outer. This is the end message you can say, Mona, if you're a woman like me, Barbara Kisiwa, I dare you with my full chest. Bring that malam you claim I visited before I will continue with you. If you are not able to bring it, then Monaguchi, read this from me. We Hey, someone is out there calling you a pig godmother. Beauty with pompo. Inkurasifo yari say pompo baby. Now let me even understand you all. Your only attack to me was to attack my hustle. If God doesn't punish you for that lie, then he is not God. Why you said China foes? Why you said China foes, babe? You dear wait. You think you can use your useless and irrelevant platform to destroy my business? You failed, oh. Koshini sanseni ba. Ebusia for ensem ne de ano ordin. Na nsem a yenua ba Kisiwa eso etroma Monaguchi eni na de na America na ne se ema de bia moguso na moya adamfofo. And if always this will be the end result of Emmanuel Kufa, and mutine fie eno kra na beden ebebo because you will be a friend with a female friend, and at the end of the day mo be worship mutuma wufi egu abondia na emade esemwara ebusenfo na me di dwumakoi ebrem no ana dwumadie ebrem no me di limo elikem kwame amega obetuma hwehwe me on all social media platforms efo Kent and ameje so pepepe na de me ka che o se Xposed it hwehwe ya they are all social media platforms YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter na hane de ka che o se subscribe na share na ebusenfo ye den entie ensam se ne yakoba na idibi be den ebebramo ebusenfo etumeko ase ya se enye obi ase ni trufi se enkofe obi ama ne bebo o chance so ye den ema from no ni omudi kasubo na sende yebese hia baba
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wadwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensin papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda